Good evening, everybody. Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 20th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir was down today 15 cents, 0.62% at 24.01. Post-market, we seem to be down by 1 cent. So let's look at this on the screen. So we have a red candle today, and basically today we went and touched the support. So support, I had drawn it at, let me tell you exactly the number, at 23.60. And now because of this new candle here, I almost want to do this double support right here. So yes, I'm being super anal retentive, 23.66. So I think it's a more valid support. So I'm going to put it at 23.66 and I'm just going to show it here, 23.66. 2 days ago, we went up to 25.94 and now we are down to 24 bucks. So we are in this congestion zone. And at the same time, we are still in this big channel. This is a big channel and the stock is going to be touching resistance, support, and now the stock wanted to go higher, but it could not reach this resistance yet. So it's been stuck right here trying to get out of this congestion zone and it's not succeeding so far. So you can decide, yeah, okay, I think this support is going to last, so I'm gonna buy here. You can decide to buy here and hope that the stock is going to go up. Or you can wait to see if the stock goes back to this diagonal support here and maybe buy here. It's for you to choose, my friends. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. I started my vacation today, so I'm at an undisclosed location and the internet is not very good, so this is why I didn't put my camera, so some people will be happy. Okay, so 9:30 right here. So 9:30 we open here and we just basically went down in touch. Maybe I want to put it a bit more like this. So I think 23.74 is more like it. We are touching support and we seemingly are going back up a little bit. So I had drawn, this should have been red, so I had drawn this resistance down here and this was basically the slope of the bearish trend since August 19th at 10:30. So this was the slope and now the slope has been broken, so this resistance has been broken, and the stock seems to be bouncing here. Stochastic is still very weak, and all of the other indicators are very negative, but these indicators are trend following, so they need to see a trend change to change direction. But you don't need to wait for that to buy. You can buy when the stock touches support and seems to be stabilizing on support, and also we have a little bit of an indication that stochastic is climbing back up a little bit. So depending on your degree of risk, you can decide maybe that's a great time to go in. You make the decision. Let's go back to the daily chart. In terms of the indicators, stochastic is at 60, so not super strong. This is exactly showing what is happening. MACD crossed over bullish and also the two lines are positive and the MI is also positive. So I think that Palantir is having, of course, a little bit of a weakness, but everything else is pretty strong. MACD is pretty strong and DMI is pretty strong. So it's not impossible that we are just seeing a little dip, a local dip, a temporary dip, a short-term dip, and maybe the stock is going to pick up soon. The volume is still pretty good. This is still in the realm of possibilities. So we need to keep our eyes peeled to make sure that we are well positioned when it happens. Thank you very much for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. you can become a member of this channel for $5 a month, and then you will get exclusive access to my weekly technical analysis I do during the weekend, and I do them live. So if you are on the internet at the same time, you can join me, and then we can talk shop together. If not, I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.